Welcome back, my dear children. Are you wondering why ma'am is wearing a jacket? Yes, I'm feeling very cold right now. Yes, it is a winter season. This is a winter season and it is the coldest season of the year. All of us love to wear sweater or jacket around this time, right? And we love to eat hot coffee and hot soup during this time, right? Yes. In Bangalore during winter season, there will be fog during night as well as early in the morning. But in some places, there will be snowfall and everywhere it will be covered with snow. And children love to play with snow. And they will make snowman during winter season with snowballs. So here I have a picture of snowman. Have you seen this before? Have you seen this picture in TV or somewhere on the book? Yes, this is a snowman. We will make snowman with the snow. And we will make a hat and we'll keep a scarf for the snowman and also we'll keep some buttons on the snowman. And he has got a carrot nose. And this is a snowman. And today we are going to sing a rhyme on snowman. Are you all ready? I'm a little snowman, short and fat. Here is my hat and here is my scarf. When I see the snow fall, hear me shout. All you children, please come out. Shall we repeat once again? I'm a little snowman, short and fat. Here is my hat and here is my scarf. When I see the snow fall, hear me shout. All you children, please come out. Children, did you all enjoy the rhyme on snowman? Yes, very good. Now look at these two pictures here. One picture is very bright and the other one is very dark. And today I am going to teach you about the concept of day and night. This brighter picture shows the daytime and this darker picture shows the night time. So let me start with this daytime. Day is when we can see the sun and sun gives us light and heat everywhere and everything will be very bright and colorful during daytime. See, all the children are playing during daytime. We all play outside during daytime, right? Yes, and see, all animals are eating grass during daytime. Birds are also flying during daytime. And what about night? Everything appears dark and we can't see sun during night time, but we can see the beautiful and twinkling stars on the sky. And some days we can see the moon. Some days the moon will be this shape. This is crescent shape. And some days the moon will be circle shape. Right? Yes. And everything appears dark. And we sleep during night. And no one will go out and play during night time. Okay, children. So this is the daytime where we can see sun and it will be bright. And this is the night time and it will be dark outside. And see, children, can you see some letters hidden in this picture? Can you find some letters hidden in these pictures? Yes, I could see some letters. Yes, I found one letter here. Yes, I found the letter L near the lamb. So here is a lamb and lamb is showing us a letter L. Now let us learn something about the letter L. Yes children, we got the letter L and I have big letter L and small letter L. Big letter L and small letter L both looks different, right? But they makes the same sound L. They makes the same sound L. Now let us see some pictures beginning with the sound L. And the first picture I have here is a picture of a lamb. Lamb is a baby sheep. Lamb is beginning with the sound lamb. And tell me the name of an animal which is beginning with the sound L. Who is the king of the forest? Yes, it is lion. So I have here the picture of a lion. Lion. L for lion. And what is this? This is a leaf. Leaf is also beginning with the sound L. Leaf. And next we have a picture of a ladder which we use to climb up, right? Do you have a ladder at home? Yes, this is a ladder. Ladder. And tell me the name of a flower which is beginning with the sound L, which is our national flower. Yes, it is lotus. Lotus is beginning with the sound L, beginning with the letter L. Lotus. And tell me the name of one more flower which is beginning with the sound L. Yes, it is lily. And last we have a picture of a lamp which gives us light during night time, right? Do you have such kind of lamp at home? Yes, this lamp is also beginning with the letter L. Lamp. So now we have seen some pictures beginning with the letter L. Now let us learn how to trace big L and small l. First, let's start with the big letter L. So how to write the big letter L? Start from here, a standing line, then a sleeping line. Okay, once again, start from the top, standing line and a sleeping line makes big letter L. Now let's learn how to trace small letter L. Small letter L is so simple, just a standing line makes small letter L. Once again, start from the top, standing line makes small letter L. Now let us find the second hidden letter from our picture. Yes, see, in this night picture I can find a letter M near the moon. Can you find a letter near the moon? Yes. Now we will learn about this letter, and this letter is letter M. So I have here big letter M and small letter M. See, big letter M and small letter M both looks slight different, right? Yes, they makes the same sound M. M makes the sound M. Now let us see some pictures beginning with the sound M or beginning with the letter M. And our first picture is a moon. We got the letter M from the night picture near the moon, right? Yes, it is a moon. When can you see moon? Yes, during night time. And moon is beginning with the sound M. Moon. M for moon. Now tell me the name of an animal that jumps from one tree to another. Yes, it is a monkey. Yes, I have a picture of a monkey here. M for monkey. Monkey. Now tell me one more animal who loves to eat cheese, beginning with the sound M. Yes, it is a mouse. 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 And our next picture is, which fruit is this? Which is yellow in color when it is ripe? Yes, it is a mango. Mango. And the next picture is, can you guess what is this? What is the name of this object which your mama used to clean the floor? Yes, it is called a mop. Mop. Now tell me the name of a thing which nowadays we all are wearing on our face whenever we go out. Yes, it is a mask. Mask. See, ma'am is also wearing a mask. You have to wear a mask whenever you go out. So we have seen some pictures beginning with the letter M. That makes a sound M. Now let us learn how to trace big M and small m. Now let's start with the big letter M. How to trace big letter M? You have to start from here, then go up, then bring down, again up, then bring down. Don't take your hand out of the pencil. Now once again I will show you. Start from here, bring up, then bring down, again up, down. Big letter M. Now we'll start with the small letter M. First start from here. Make a standing line, then a downward curve, one more downward curve. Small letter M. M. Now once again I'll show you. Start from here, make a standing line, then a downward curve and a downward curve. Small letter M. We have found two hidden letters till now, that is letter L near the lamp and letter M near the moon. Now can you see one more letter on this picture? Let me give a clue. It is on the tree. What can you see on the tree? What is this? Yes, it is a nest. And can you see letter on the tree? Yes, we have a letter here, and this is a letter N. This is a letter N. Now we will learn about letter N. And here we have our letter N. Here is a big letter N and here is a small letter N. Both looks different, right? But they makes the same sound N. They makes the same sound N. And makes a sound N. Now let us see some pictures beginning with the sound N. Where have you seen the letter N? On the tree, right? Yes, we have found the letter N on the tree. And near? Yes, near the nest. Near the nest. What is a nest? Yes, it is a home of birds. Birds live in this nest. Nest. And next we have a bird who sings very well. And that is, yes, it is a nightingale. Nightingale. And N for night also. Night. And nightingale. And here I have a picture of a nail. Have you seen this before? Yes, you might have seen with your papa, right? Or mama. Should not play with this, right? This is a nail. It is very sharp. Nail. N for nail. And we have our last picture. This is a net. Net. And now children, tell me some body parts which is beginning with the letter N or beginning with the sound N. Tell me. Yes, nose. Nose. And one more body part. Yes, neck. All of you please touch your neck. Yes, neck. So these are some words beginning with the letter N or beginning with the sound N. Now let us see how to trace big N and small n. Let's start with the big letter N. You have to start from the bottom here, then go up, then bring it down like this, then again go up. You should not take your pencil out from your hand. Now once again I will show you big letter N. Okay, start from here, go up, bring down, again go up. Okay, we have big letter N. Now let's see how to trace small letter N. So you have to start from here, make a standing line, then a downward curve. Small letter N. Once again, make a standing line and a small downward curve. Small letter N. And the last hidden letter from the picture is, can you guess? Let me give you a clue. It is on the tree. Yes, it is near a bird. Yes, it is a letter O. Is a letter O. And let's learn more about O now. So here we have the letter O. Big letter O and small letter O. And both look same, right? But small is small and this is big. And they makes a sound O. They makes a sound O. And now let us see some words beginning with the letter O or beginning with the sound O. So here is a picture of a bird and this is an owl. O for owl. And tell me one more bird which is beginning with the sound O, which is beginning with the letter O. Yes, it is a tallest bird. Yes, it is an ostrich. Ostrich is beginning with the sound O. Ostrich is beginning with the letter O. Tell me the name of an animal which is beginning with the letter O. Can you tell me? Now tell me. Yes, it is an ox. Ox is beginning with the sound O. O for ox. Now tell me the name of a water animal which is beginning with the sound O. Yes, it is an octopus. Octopus. O for octopus. And tell me the name of a fruit which is beginning with O. Yes, exactly. It is an orange. Orange is beginning with the letter O. So, here are some pictures beginning with the letter O. O makes a sound O. Now, let us learn how to trace big O and small o. Let's start with the big letter O. Start from here, then make a full circle like this. Makes the letter O. Once again, start from here, make a full circle like this and close it. This is big letter O. Now let's learn how to trace small o. Start from here, same as big letter O but small circle. Okay, small o. Once again, start from here, bring down like this and make a full circle. Small letter O. Now we have learned how to trace big letter O and small letter O. Now let us do some activities on the letters which we have learned today. Which are the letters we have learned today? Yes, letter L, M, N and O. Let's start with our first activity. For this activity, you need one A4 size paper and 2 sketch pens, or you can take crayons, one red color and one in green. And on this A4 paper, you need to write letters M and N, both big letters and small letters, like an alphabet scramble. You can ask your mama to write this on your paper. And for this activity, what you have to do is you have to circle big M in red as well as small m in red and the letter N in green, both big and small n in green color. So shall we start this activity? Yes. So first we have a letter M. Yes, very good. So we have to circle the letter M in which color? Yes, red color. Yes, very good. And M makes a sound M. So while circling, you have to say the sound M, 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 M. Yes. And now this is our next letter. Which letter is this? Now tell me. Yes, this letter N. Now, which color will we use to circle? Yes, we will circle it with green color. Yes, now N makes a sound N. So, while circling, you have to make the sound N, 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 N. Similarly, you have to circle all the letters M in red and N in green. So now we have completed our activity. We have circled letter M in red. Both big M and small m we have circled in red color. And what about N? Yes, we have made a circle with green color. Both big N and small n. Did you like this activity? Yes. Now we will have our second activity. So here is our second activity. We have some paper cups here with small letters written on it. You have to clip cloth pegs here. I have two cloth pegs with big letter O and big letter L. So what you have to do is you have to clip these cloth pegs to the correct paper cup with the correct small letter. Okay, this is our activity. So first let us start with our letter L. So here we have our cloth peg with big letter L, and you have to clip this cloth peg to the paper cup with small letter L. So find out where is small letter L. Is this small letter L? No. Is this small letter L? No. No. This one no. Yes, we have our small letter L here. So we will clip this cloth peg to this paper cup. You can even try this at home. You can ask your mama to do like this. And now we have our cloth peg with big letter O. And now you have to clip this cloth peg to the paper cup with small letter O. Now find out where is small letter O. It's very simple, right? Yes, I found out. So here is our small letter O. So we have matched these letters. We have found the small letters also, right? Yes. Did you enjoy these activities? Yes, and today we have learned the concept of day and night as well as the letters L, M, N and O. Their phonic sounds and the words beginning with those letters also, and how to trace those letters. So did you enjoy the class? Okay children, that's all for today. Bye.